girl Sakaya Ave, and we are back here with another video. Today I will be doing a full tutorial on this butterfly makeup look. She is so cute. But before we get into it, I want you guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and give that post notification bell a ring a ding ding. That way you notify every time we drop a new video. What you talking about? Already, go ahead and follow me on all of my social media platforms. I am on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and obviously YouTube. So guys, go ahead and follow me on those pages. You will get your daily makeup looks like this one. You'll get your zodiac content. You'll get your photo shoots, all that good jazz. So go ahead and hop on over to those social media platforms so you guys don't miss a beat, because we're doing really great things here, and for the next couple of months we really gonna be pushing stuff out, and I don't want y'all to miss it because I'm putting in a lot of hard work for y'all and a whole lot of other people that I'm working with, and we're just coming up with really great stuff. So y'all don't miss it. If you do not know, I am a licensed esthetician and makeup artist. So I do help models build their portfolio by coming up with these really creative photo shoots, makeup looks, sometimes wigs, sometimes headpieces, props, just depending on what we're doing. Then that'll kind of like determine the type of content you guys get from me. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this makeup. All right, y'all, so today I am going to do a butterfly look. So I'm just gonna hop right into it because I'm really excited. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start with my brows. Y'all know I always start with my brows. This is the LA Girl eyeliner. This is brown black. So pretty much what I'm just gonna go ahead and do is fill in my brows to the shape I like them and how dark I like them, and I'm cleaning them up with my concealer. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer 16 Hour, and I'm gonna go in with Tan Neutral. Alright guys, so now what I'm going to do is take my Clown White. I'm going to go in on the whole eyelid. I'm going to just go ahead and light it real good. And then we're going to do like a teal smoky eye, but it's going to be a smoky eye with like white in the front. So it's about to be real pretty. But yeah, and y'all, I had to put my gloves on because my nails is white. I just put these on and I'm not, y'all know how white nails can get dirty. So that's what we're doing. All right, but yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get this little teal smoky eye going. Alright guys, now I'm going to take this little shimmery teal right here, and we're going to go ahead and blend that into the eye area as well, and then I'm going to take a white shimmer and do my inner corners for my highlight. Now I'm going to go in with this Shockwave Neon Liner. It's an aqua green. So we're going to go in with this on our waterline, and yeah. Alright y'all, so now we're about to go in with our foundation and concealers if need be. So if you do need concealer with dark spots, this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, Orange Concealer, perfect for dark spots. And you'll just put this on before you put your foundation on. And then I am going in with my L'Oreal Paris Pro Matte Foundation today, shade 112. So now we're about to go ahead and get our foundation going, and then we're going to see what this look like. To go in with my L'Oreal Paris foundation powder, and I'm gonna go in on top of my foundation everywhere. And then after that, I'm going to take my contour palette, my bronzer palette, whatever y'all want to call it. It's from the same line from L'Oreal Paris. I'm gonna take this and go in with my contour. Alright guys, now I'm going to go in with my concealer and go ahead and highlight my face. So I'm thinking I'm going to go a little bit bolder with the shape that I want around my eye. So I'm going to go in with some clown white and make this bottom half white. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to use this for highlight on my bottom half of my face, my forehead, my nose. But as far as here, I'm going to go in with some white. Maybe a little bit of this right in the front, but that's it. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with some white here, eyeshadow, and we're gonna kind of go in like it's a blush a little bit. Just like that. Because what's gonna happen is we want this bottom half to be as pale as possible. Like that. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my lip liner, and I'm gonna do my lips so I can see what's happening. And this is the LA Girl eyeliner, the black brown, y'all. Alright, so now I'm drawing my butterfly wings so I can know where I need to put my rhinestones. So I'm gonna try to get it as close to the other one as possible. Alright, y'all, so now we're gonna go in our little butterfly shape and blend a little bit more color, and then after that we're going to go ahead and take our latex and put it on our wings and put our rhinestones on. Guys, now I'm gonna go in with some latex, some Mayron liquid latex, and I'm going to use a very skinny brush. And guys, just so you know, after you use the latex like a couple of times throughout it, it's going to dry on the brush, so just pull it off. The bristles to be just fine. Dip it in and just keep going. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this, trace a little bit of the wing, and then go ahead and start putting on my rhinestones. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with some blush on our nose. Okay, we're gonna go in with the blush right there. I'm gonna go up and down mine. I don't know, do I want to look real blushy? Yeah. I'm gonna go here. And then I think I'm gonna take a little bit right here on the inside of the wings here to make it look like, you know, what she's gonna do. Just like that. And while we're also doing this, we're gonna go ahead and do our highlight on our face as well. Just like that. In the same areas that we just put blush. And then also, I'm gonna put a little here, 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 and here. Alright. And then after that, I usually like to take my foundation brush and just kind of, you know, blend everything in all the way. And I'm just patting, I'm not rubbing anything. Alright, now I'm going to go in with that teal shimmer again, right here on this inner corner. And just really get that popping. Just like that. And then I'm going to follow up with my winged eyeliner on the top lid. And we're just going to use our eyeliner pen for that. And that's going to be the blackout pen and the regular e.l.f. Alright guys, now I'm going to go in with my Perfect Lash Mascara. And I am going to put some on my top and bottom lashes.
Alright guys, and here is the finished look. I am absolutely in love with everything that's going on, from the color to the rhinestones to the shape to the lashes to the everything. So if you guys like this video just as much as I did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye!